What are you doing? I know, but you know she's going to do that to you. Avery, leave Kara alone. Move it. Good girl. Go give Kara kisses. Say sorry. Put the stroller down. Go give her kisses. No, not on. Avery, here, bring me the stroller. Let me see. Okay, go give Kara kisses. Go give her a kiss and say sorry. Can you go give Kara a kiss? No, don't wave to her. Go give her a kiss. Go give Kara a kiss. No, Avery. Hey, go give her a kiss. Give Kara a kiss. Good girl. That's very nice. Mummy's turn. Put the stroller down. Come here. Kisses. Oh no. Poor Avery.